Nice smelling.
It's taking a while.
All right, today we're gonna bring a honeycomb for your laser printing, all right, or cutting out for your laser. So they do give you this metal sheet. It's aluminum. You gotta take the actual tape, the blue tape, all right, and make sure you place this flat. And then this is gonna go over it. And if you guys can see it, when it goes over it, you gotta make sure facing up, so you can know the measurements. If you're gonna need something like this, put your laser printer around it, your cutter around it. And we're going to set it up also too, so we're going to put it together in a bit, but I just want you to guys see first here, make it run, and then we're going to run a couple of tests on it, make sure it doesn't go through. If you guys can see the aluminum in the bottom, so it's going to cut through the bottom. I have another layer of silicone just in case, but we're going to go ahead and set it up here. If you guys can see that, it's pretty good. I like the measurements. You got a couple measurements here in the side too. They're all millimeters, right? So very simple. We're gonna set it up, and this is why they call it honeycomb, because it looks like a honeycomb bee hive. All right, let's see our results. Oh, look at that. So we got it working very good. We tested our print. It's a little Pikachu, is working very well. Didn't pass through. We passed through a couple times on the larger prints, but it's working very well. I hope you guys enjoy the video.